Hi guys, I thought of taking you to a circus today. In the upcoming act, the Joker has to hit a target by flying from the cannon. To hit the target correctly, he needs to know the measure of the angle the cannon should make with the ground. Let's go and help him. To measure the angle, we need a protractor. A protractor looks like a curved ruler. Its rim is calibrated and has numbers marked on it. An angle is measured in a unit called degree. Therefore, the number on the protractor are all read in a unit called degree. Did you notice that the protractor has two scales, the inner scale and the outer scale? It has a baseline with a center which coincides with 0 degrees for both the inner and the outer scales. Let us use the protractor to measure the angle of the cannon with the ground. Consider the ground to be the base arm and treat the cannon as the second arm of this angle. Let's name it angle AOB. To measure the angle, first place the protractor in a way that the baseline of the protractor coincides with the base arm OB of the angle AOB. Adjust the protractor so that the center of the protractor coincides with the vertex of the angle. Next, choose the scale in which the base arm points 0 degrees. Here the base arm points 0 on the inner scale. So we can use the inner scale to measure this angle. Then check where the other arm OA intersects the protractor on the inner scale. Note that arm OA coincides with the marking of 50 degrees on the inner scale of the protractor. Therefore, the cannon must be placed at an angle of 50 degrees with the ground for the Joker to be able to hit the target correctly. Let's measure another angle PQR. Place the protractor such that the center coincides with the vertex angle Q and the arm QR coincides with the baseline of the protractor. Note that arm QR points at the 0 on the outer scale and hence we use the outer scale to measure this angle. The other arm PQ intersects the protractor and coincides with the marking of 120 degrees on the outer scale. Therefore, the measure of angle PQR is equal to 120 degrees. Now it's time for me to get back to the circus. See you soon.